Hi, I'm Randy Cooperman. I am the program director here at the Berry PA program. As a PA, you will get to do so many things. Some people mistake us for medical assistants, which we are not. Physician assistants do everything that a physician does. We see our own patients, we diagnose them, we treat them, we prescribe their medications. We can be first assist in surgery. We can have our own practices and care for all of our patients in partnership with a physician-led team. So if you want a profession where you get direct hands-on with a patient, but you get to make the clinical decisions, PA is the profession for you.
I chose the physician assistant career because I just love medicine and how it changes every day. I think it is a great pathway for people who want to be able to have lateral mobility and still get to see every part of every field in the medical world. So I can go from emergency room to neurology, or if I want to take a step back, I can move on to telehealth and I don't have to worry about going back for more schooling.
Hi, my name is Dr. Daniel Green. I am the medical director for the Berry University PA program. I am a double board certified pediatrician and pediatric emergency physician. In the first year, the students are in a didactic track. So we teach science foundations in the first semester, then more specific medical content of body systems in the second and third semester. In the clinical year, the students will engage in clinical rotations and core specialties and also an elective. And then in the last semester, it's an advanced didactic semester where the concepts are focused more on transition from school to PA practice.
PA curriculum is relatively standardized nationally because of our accrediting body, but each program has its own flair. Number one, we offer a medical Spanish course to all of our students. Now, no one's going to leave this course being able to conjugate verbs. However, we do recognize that there are so many Spanish-speaking patients that deserve our care, and being able to perform a history and physical in Spanish helps us and our students overcome some of those barriers to care that patients have. Something else that sets Berry PA apart is our amazing group of faculty members. We have a really diverse faculty who have worked in many, many fields of medicine. Many are still working. We also have faculty who are retired military veterans, and we have faculty who are currently active in both our national and local state PA organizations. So you have a lot of advocacy and leadership and understanding of what our profession really is from this amazing group of experienced faculty. As a professor and as a PA, my absolute favorite part is our students, watching them come in just out of undergrad with very little experience and grow and develop into actual medical providers by the end. To watch our students blossom and grow is such a pride point for me. I love it.
My favorite part about the program, besides the faculty, I've established so many close relationships. I've met forever friends here, and I really like that we're all in this together. We study together, we're together all day, every day, and it's like a giant 70-person family.
One of the amazing things about being a PA is that you can work in any field of medicine. And one of our pride points here at Berry is that we have alumni all over the country, even in U.S. territories like the United States Virgin Islands, working in every field of medicine.
We are in such a fortunate position that physician associates are in such high demand that often translates into their preceptors offering them a job during their clinical rotations.
So over the course of my clinical year, I've had the opportunity to work at a lot of different locations, from small clinics to major hospitals. Berry University has partnered with a lot of great healthcare organizations in the area. As you get to know your preceptor over the course of your rotation, you get to develop a relationship, form connections, and sometimes that leads to job opportunities and offers. That has happened on more than one occasion where I've been told I should apply when I finish school. Kind of helps build your confidence and make you feel like you're learning what you should and doing the right thing.
Students who come to Berry can feel confident that they will have the knowledge and skills to be excellent PAs.